Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple style for you guys. Simple style. As you can see, my hair is cut and ready to be styled. So what I'm just going to be doing right now is I'm going to be twisting the other part down so that when I'm working with the other side, I'm not going to be having difficulty working with the other part. So I'll just twist the other part down and then we'll start working with the other side. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting a one cornrow hair. I'm actually going to do a one cornrow hair in the middle. So that's what I'm cutting right now. So after cutting the hair, I went ahead and I cornrowed it. So now I'm just cutting the part that I'm going to be using the rubbers for. That's what I'm doing right now. So after splitting this part, I'm going to be holding the other part down, so I will not be having difficulty working with the one that I've already cut. So I'll just twist it down and I'll go ahead and start working with it. I'm also splitting the part that I've already cut before that I said I was going to use the rubbers for. So I'm also splitting it into two because we are going to be having 4 rubbers. So I'm also splitting it into 2. Then I will hold the other part down and then I will now split the one that I have right now. I will now split it into 2 again. Cutting the hair into 2, I've already done the other part, so I went ahead and did the other part. So I just went ahead and I took the rubber and hold it down. I used the rubber to tie it. After tying the hair, to make sure the hair is tight and secure, you have to open it into 2 and stretch it. Just look at the way I did it right now. I opened it and I stretched it. So what I'm doing now is I'm twisting the hair before packing it to the other one. So I'm going to twist the hair. After twisting the hair, I'm just going to take this one. You see the way I took this one and I attached it to the other one. The first line that I cut before, I'm going to pack it with the other one, and I'm still going to do the same thing with this one too. To make sure the hair is tight and secure, just see the way I'm going to do it now. I'm going to open it and I will stretch it like I did with the other parts. I will make sure it's secured. And this one, I'm still going to take it to the other one there and I'll pack it together. That's basically what I did for this hair. this last part, I will just go ahead and apply some gel. After applying the gel, then I will cornrow it down. That's it, that's basically it. So right now, after cornrowing it, I will just go ahead and do the other part off camera. Then I will come back to show you guys. Yeah, so now our hair is done and I'm just going to be packing the hair right now. So right now I'm just laying my edges down after packing the hair. So you need to lay your edges, we need to slay that edges. So I'm just laying it down, and after doing that I will go and do my makeup off camera. Then I will come back to show you guys the finished look. So guys, after doing my makeup, I just went ahead and I designed it with these butterfly pins that I got from AliExpress, and the hair was so beautiful, guys. I really love this hair. It was really, really beautiful. So guys, this is the finished look. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for sharing. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.